Welcome to the AnyToSpeech podcast, the show where we help you sound clearer in English by listening, noticing, and practicing out loud.
And today, we need to talk about a vowel contrast that causes real embarrassment.
Not the cute textbook pair everyone already knows.
Right. Forget drilling ship, sheep, ship, sheep for 20 minutes. That is beginner day one.
The real problem is this. English has a tense, high E sound and a relaxed, short I sound. Mix them up in the wrong word, and people hear something you did not mean.
Like, I want to go to the beach, versus a very rude word that sounds close if your vowel is wrong.
Or, this is my sheet versus, yeah, you get it, high stakes.
So today, we train the difference the way good accent coaches do it. Feel it in your mouth. Hear it first, then put it into real phrases.
I'm going to be a little picky today. That's the point.
Good. Start with the body, not the spelling.
For the tense E, think see, leave, these, machine. Your tongue is high and forward, lips spread a little, like a small smile. The sound feels tight and long.
Try just the sound with us. E. Not louder, clearer. E.
Again, E.
Now the relaxed I. Sit, this, live, women, business. Tongue a little lower, jaw more relaxed, shorter, softer.
I.
Switch. E, I. E, I.
If both of those felt the same in your mouth, that is exactly why today's episode exists.
A lot of learners only change the length. They stretch, sit, and hope it becomes seat.
Length helps, but quality matters more. Seat is tense, sit is lax, different muscle setting.
Rachel's English style training starts there. Can you even hear them as two different sounds before you try to perform them?
So before you speak, just listen. Do not repeat yet.
Seat.
Sit.
Leave.
Live.
These.
This.
Feel.
Fill.
Reach.
Rich.
If one pair was hard to tell apart, rewind that part later and only listen.
Okay, now speak. After each word, leave a beat for you at home.
Seat. Relaxed I is usually the letter I. Sit, finish, middle. But American bin is usually bin, not bean.
And the trap words that mark a non-native accent instantly. Women, busy, business, build.
Women is not wo-men, it's closer to women.
Women. Women. There were 3 women in the meeting.
Busy is not boozy, it's biz-e.
Busy. I'm busy until 3.
Business often collapses to something like business. Don't give every syllable equal power.
Business. Business meeting. This is business.
Build, built, builder, UI, but the vowel is I.
Build. Built. They built a new office.
Those 4 words alone will make you sound more advanced than 100 sheep drills.
Let's talk about where confusion actually breaks communication.
Live versus leave.
I live in Berlin versus I leave in Berlin. Totally different life story.
I live here. I leave at 6.
This versus these.
One thing versus more than one. This file, these files.
This file is ready. These files are ready.
Filled versus field. Less common, but great for the mouth.
The form is filled. We crossed the field.
And the adult pairs people avoid saying in class but mess up in real life. Beach needs a clean tense E.
If your beach is too lax, listeners may hear the rude word, so smile a little. Keep it tense. Beach.
Beach. We're going to the beach this weekend.
Sheet. Clean tense E. Sheet of paper.
Sheet. Can you print one more sheet?
Okay, phrase level. This is where podcasts like Hadar's and Fluent American get useful. Sounds inside real rhythm.
Feel free to.
Feel free to ask.
Leave a message.
Please leave a message after the beep.
Reach out to.
I'll reach out to the team.
In a bit.
I'll call you in a bit.
Still busy.
I'm still busy with the pitch.
These people. This person.
This person is waiting. These people are waiting.
Connected speech tip. When E meets a vowel, English often glides with a light Y.
See it. See it. Be able. Be able.
See it. Did you see it?
Be able. Will you be able to join?
The email often becomes the ye-mail when the comes before a vowel sound.
Did you get the email?
Shadow section. Don't pause between every word. Ride the phrase.
I'll say a short work paragraph. First time, only listen.
I'm still busy, but I can leave at 3. Feel free to reach out if these numbers look wrong. I'll send the email in a bit and we can decide in the meeting.
Now with us, chunk by chunk.
I'm still busy, but I can leave at 3.
I'm still busy, but I can leave at 3.
Feel free to reach out if these numbers look wrong.
Feel free to reach out if these numbers look wrong.
I'll send the email in a bit and we can decide in the meeting.
I'll send the email in a bit and we can decide in the meeting.
Whole thing, natural pace.
I'm still busy, but I can leave at 3. Feel free to reach out if these numbers look wrong. I'll send the email in a bit and we can decide in the meeting.
One more time. Push clarity, not speed.
I'm still busy, but I can leave at 3. Feel free to reach out if these numbers look wrong. I'll send the email in a bit and we can decide in the meeting.
That paragraph has live work vocabulary and both vowels under pressure.
Homework. And please actually do this, or the episode was just entertainment.
Pick 8 words. Women, busy, business, build, this, these, live, leave.
Say each one 10 times today. Slow, then normal. Record the last round.
Tomorrow, add the shadow paragraph. Compare day 1 to day 2.
You're not trying to sound like a movie star. You're trying to stop being misunderstood.
Same goal as the best accent shows out there. Intelligibility first.
If you want a place to generate practice audio, turn text into speech, or make your own 2-voice practice dialogues, that's what AnyToSpeech is for.
AnyToSpeech.com. Use it as a practice tool, not magic. Your mouth still has to do the reps.
I'm glad you practiced with us today.
Keep listening. Keep noticing. Speak clearer. See you next time.